Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, we're going to be doing a two-part video. Now the first part's going to be this, which is going to be an unboxing of this new Polaroid Go, the world's smallest Instamatic camera. And then later on I'll follow this up with a more in-depth look at this camera. So anyway, let's get this beast out the box and have a little closer look and see what you actually get in this box. Okay, so the first thing is basically a quick start guide, a warranty guide and a bit of information about Polaroid itself, and that's the first thing out of that box. Also get a set of stickers as well, and they're all of different colours and things. I suppose you can put these on your photos when you print them out, but you do get some stickers too. Comes with a lanyard for the actual camera, and this is red, which is quite good. Also comes with the USB cable, and this is a micro USB cable, and this is for charging the internal battery on the Polaroid Go, because the battery is an internal battery this time. And finally we've got the camera itself, and boy is this cute. This is a very small compact Instamatic camera. In fact, it's supposed to be the smallest Instamatic camera at the moment on the market, and I can certainly see why they say that. Now, as I said at the beginning, this is basically just an unboxing video. What I will do is I'm going to continue this video in another video where I will go through all the functionalities, the features, and also compare it with another Instamatic camera. So as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.